Installing a Greatmats Royal Interlocking Carpet tile floor is simple. For floating or island installations, no tools are necessary. Wall-to-wall installations will need a tape measure, sharp utility knife, and a straight edge. Adhesives are not necessary. Begin on a clean, hard, and flat surface. These carpet tiles utilize a universal interlock, so they will connect together no matter which way they are laid. However, in order to keep the nap facing in the same direction, you'll want to follow the arrows imprinted subtly on the underside of the tiles. Keeping the arrows facing in the same direction, work your way out evenly from the corner until no more full tiles will fit. Measure the distance between the installed tiles and the walls and other obstacles. Mark the underside of the carpet tile you'd like to cut with a pen and cut it to fit using a sharp utility knife. Be sure to use a straight edge guide, sharp blade, and a series of shallow scores to ensure the cleanest cut. Once you've cut through the foam base, fold the tile back at the score and cut the carpet surface from the opposite side, following the crease. Leaving your gap for expansion, install the cut tiles next to the remaining walls. The gap will prevent your foam floor from buckling. If you need a finished edge for an island or floating installation, reconnect border strips in those areas. Each tile comes with 2 border strips, one with a corner piece and one without. Be sure to keep the direction of the nap in mind when putting the border strips back in place. Royal Interlocking Carpet tiles are available in 5 different color options and can be installed in any color combination. Enjoy your new Royal Interlocking Carpet tile floor.